Hi, everybody.
Hello.
It's Sunday, the day of the end of our Viair giveaway.
The clock is ticking. The giveaway's just about to end.
It's just coming up on 8 o'clock on the East Coast, 5 o'clock on the West Coast, and our Viair giveaway is literally about to close.
So
and we've
exciting.
decided to do something a little different this time. We're actually going to let the system pick the winner on camera.
Right.
We're going to show you exactly how this looks. We're going to go ahead and do this. We're just coming up to it now. We're only about a minute or two away. So John has on his computer the system that we use. It's called Gleam.
Right. So you'll recognize it because you saw this widget on our website. That's where you entered the giveaway. And you can see...
We have a lot of stuff plugged in here. For some reason, it's getting a little flashing. We're not sure why. We're in kind of a remote area. It might be our internet connection.
Could be anything.
So sorry about the flashing, but you can literally see the countdown clock right now that we have about a minute and a half left before the giveaway ends. And as soon as it does, John is going to click a button here that's going to select one of you as the winner of a Viair 400p RV compressor and a winterizing kit, also from Viair. So this is the first time we've done a giveaway this way.
That's right.
We thought we'd give it a shot. Of course, we expected to have better internet and didn't think the screen would be blinking, but...
Hey, you got to roll with the punches.
So yeah, if you scroll that up a little bit, you'll be able to see this is the actual form that you all filled out.
Over on the RVgeeks.com.
To enter. And we're now 45 seconds away. So as soon as that ends, we're going to kind of sit here and wait for it to end. We're kind of excited about doing it this way.
I have all the power right here in my finger. I have no control over any of it other than clicking that button to select a winner, and Gleam does the rest. Does all of its magic behind the box.
Yeah, a lot of people ask us how we select winners, and we actually don't select winners. Gleam selects the winner. It's totally random, completely automatic, and you'll see there's 181,905 entries. That's because if you entered, you saw that there's an opportunity to get up to 100 entries, so there weren't 181,000 people in the giveaway. So we only have 6 seconds, 5 seconds left.
It's like New Year's Eve
here. Here we go. As soon as it goes, it should say that the giveaway is ended.
It is officially ended.
So it is 8 o'clock on the East Coast. John is going to go to the winner's window.
Here we are.
It is going to let us actually select the winner right now.
Good luck, everybody.
So we don't have a drum roll to play, but we'll pretend that a drum roll is going, and as soon as that button is clicked, you're going to see the name of the winner come up live on the screen right at the same moment that we do. So let's see who is our winner. Go for it.
The winner is... What?
One winner. We got to tell it one winner. And draw.
Here we go.
Here it goes. It's thinking.
Jackie with a 2019 Coachman Freelander 21QB.
And I see that Jackie's email address is showing up there, so we are going to tile that out quickly before we put this up on YouTube.
Yeah, we don't want Jackie getting bombarded from the internet.
Sorry, Jackie. Well, Jackie is...
Oh, we don't want her name.
Did we just say it?
We did.
Oh, we're going to bleep that out. So Jackie W is the winner, and Jackie has a 2019 Coachman Freelander 21QB. So Jackie, congratulations, you just won.
If you're watching right now, you just found out you're the winner in our giveaway.
We will be contacting you, but we're hoping that you find out you won by watching this video before we call you. So did we get Jackie's phone number? Did she submit? We'll have to find out.
We'll double check, yeah.
Anyway, that's entry number 57,685.
Of the 181,930 total.
So congratulations, Jackie,
right, Jackie
W.
We know you are going to enjoy this Viair. Peter was just using it this morning to inflate our tires. And
we are about to take a long couple of days on the road, so I was out this morning using the Viair, and I love it. It's a great piece of gear on the RV, and thank you all for entering. If you didn't win, we will put links down below in the video description for both the compressor and the winterizing kit.
And if you can't find the description on YouTube, head over to the RVgeeks.com and look for this Viair announcement, the winner announcement, and you'll see the links there.
So this is the official announcement of the giveaway. Thank you all for entering. As always, safe travels, and thanks for watching. Hey, that was a cool way to do that.
Yeah, that was fun. Oh my, it really was like New Year's Eve watching the countdown come through.
Well, it was kind of fun to actually see the winner come up at the same time everybody else did. I think we should do it this way every time.
Yeah, I know.
Although being here in the Maritimes, it's an hour later, so it's 9 o'clock already, and we have work to do getting this ready to put on YouTube.
We have to head west so that we're 3 hours behind.